What you want to? I don't know. Let me see where we sitting first. Okay, as long as it's not torn furniture, I'm okay.
It's a little cool up there though.
Yeah, we're gonna sit inside. Oh, it's nice. Not too many people.
Show you guys.
Wanna
go further down?
Let's see. This right here look a little better. Yeah, that'll be torn furniture.
Show you guys.
Okay, thank you. Alright. It's nice and quiet. So bright I can barely see. Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Fritzy Tecia channel. Fritz is not with me. Today I'm here with my daughter, Miss Tecia. Okay, she's being difficult right now. And we're here at Killer Shrimp Seafood Restaurant in Marina Del Rey, California. And actually, we came here a year ago. Actually, yeah, May 2023. Me and Tecia first time coming here, and we actually brought our cousins who were visiting from Texas. And I really enjoyed the food, and she asked me where did I want to go for Mother's Day, and I said Killer Shrimp. So we are here, and wanted to bring you along with me. And I also want to say thank you to any of my viewers who are returning and any new viewers. I don't do this that often, so I know I don't have that many subscribers, but I do have a lot of viewers, and or should I say we do. And we definitely appreciate you taking the time to look at our videos. So again, I am here and I'll show you what I'll be eating, and also what Tecia will be eating, and hopefully it's as good as it was the last time. And I actually ordered what I had the last time I was here was the fried seafood platter, which has shrimp, coconut shrimp, beer battered Atlantic cod, and calamari. Now I don't eat calamari, so then you're going to go ahead and substitute with coconut shrimp. So, as you can see, it's right off the ocean, which I believe Santa Monica is right next to us, Venice, right off the ocean. So, and it's nice and sunny. Last time we were here it was very gloomy, which I thought it was going to be gloomy today. But yes, nice and sunny. Alright, so check back. While we're waiting for our order, I did want to mention that those who watched our Christmas video, it was supposed to have been one part, but it ended up being more than one part due to technical issues with the software, the editing software. So I was supposed to do a third video, and somehow it was some technical issues with the software, the editing software. So didn't get to do it. Okay, so this is my order, what I received, which is nice big. Has the fries, and I guess this is the cod. Tecia got, oh, crab cakes and lobster macaroni and cheese. How does it taste? Okay. So we did order some strawberry lemonade. You can say it's really good. The only thing I'm having a problem with is the straw. It's, you know, this now paper straw, but so let's see if it's as good as it was the last time. I like how they put the shrimp on these little sticks.
That's a killer mac and cheese. Doesn't look like killer mac and cheese. This is lobster.
I don't like lobster.
Yeah, I get the film. Sorry about that.
Is this ketchup? I guess this is the regular shrimp. You can see how it has the seasoned very well. Let's see.
I'm sorry, they're making yours.
It's still good like last time. It'll come with the fries. Everything's good in the car. Thank you. Oh, I'm liking this meat. Okay, so I am full and enjoyed the meal. Again, the food still the same. And no problem, no complaints. Just so, yes. Thankful that my daughter, Miss Tecia, brought me here for Mother's Day. It was actually yesterday, but since you know I don't really like too many of the crowds, because she was off today. So we came home on Monday, and you know, technically Mother's Day is every day, so just get one day, I guess, that we just do a little special event. But yes, it's every day. I love my babies. All right.